welcome back to my channel. I got another product review that you're not going to want to miss. I'm going to be using these two products, not at the same time. I'm going to be using these to see which curls are the best. I already know which curls are the best because I used it, and I'm so excited, you guys. Okay. I'm going to be using these two products to see which ones work the best. So I'm going to use my misting bottle, a comb, and okay. I'm going to be using a misting bottle, a denning brush, denning brush, one of these brushes right here, however you say it, don't know, and a comb. Yeah. So this brush I've had for a while. I just never got to use it because I don't use these kind of brushes on my hair, but we're not doing my hair today, as you're gonna see. This brush actually is really good because you can slide this off the back. You can slide it off and open this up, and you can take the little combs out. You can take them out, and it makes it really easy to clean. Slide it back in, boom. I took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took out 5 rows because this is thick hair. You don't need all of these bristles on thick hair. But anyway, my fiance was nice enough to let me do his hair and put all this stuff in there. Okay, so we're going to be using these two products. Here we go. Okay, I'm back now, guys. Go ahead and say curls in the comments below, okay? Leave me a comment, say curls if you made it this far. So I don't know. You guys can let me know what you think, but I think this right here, this curling mousse right here, the real deal. And it smells so good. It smells so good. I've had the, what was it? The deep conditioner, the pomegranate and honey. I've had the deep conditioner of this one, and it smells kind of just like it. But I would use this one for my curls. If I'm going to do like a wash and go or something, definitely this one. This is the go-to, and it comes out nice and easy. The bottle is easy to use when you're like pumping it out. And if you do this before you put it in your hair, you do that and you need to go get some more, I feel like you don't have to like wipe your hands like some of the other bottles that I've had of the mousse. They're like, I don't know, they're real like slimy after you use it. But this one, I don't know. Okay, I just like it this much. But after I put it in, I blow dried it, and it's like nothing's in the hair. It's not crunchy. Okay, well, okay, it's mousse. It's gonna be a little crunchy, okay, just a little bit. But there was no flaking. Like, there's no flaking, and I really appreciate that. There's no flaking. With the mousse, you didn't have to really saturate the hair. It says after hair has been cleaned and is damp, divide the hair into sections. Apply a liberal amount to the fingers. Comb through from root to end. For 4C hair. For 4C hair. For 4C hair. Them curls, you seen them though. The curls was popping. Okay, you can't tell me nothing. Them curls was popping. Okay, so let me talk about this one. This one I really would prefer to be like a moisturizer. I can see this one being a moisturizer for real. I don't know. This one is kind of like, well, you saw how it came out. If you watched it, you saw how it came out, and it was like sticky. It's kind of sticky, but when you put it on the hair, it feels like a conditioner or something. It feels really nice though. I feel like it would be a really good detangler. I think that's what I'm gonna use the rest for, detangling, because I don't know. It feels kind of weird on my hair. And then once it dried, because I blow dried that section as well. Once it dried, it felt kind of like it was still wet, really. So it took a little bit longer than the mousse to dry. But the curls wasn't that bad. The curls didn't look bad. It just wasn't like the mousse, okay? It just wasn't like the mousse. But this one says after cleansing, a section of hair, you got to make sure it's damp, okay? Because it's not going to work too good if the hair is not wet. But I sprayed it like it was just out the shower kind of hair. It says, do not rinse, reapply to dry hair to refresh curls as needed. This one, I don't know, it really works. It works okay, but I would rather, I like the mousse better. And this one, out of these two products, the mousse is about to be my go-to. And I'm about to get some more of these products because I need some more. I want to try them all. I'm not rich, but I'm going to try them when I can. Yeah, but this one, it says it defines and elongates curls and coils, creates bouncy soft curls, moisturizes and adds shine. Maybe for a different hair texture. We got 4C hair over here, so yeah. And shrinkage defense, it still kind of shrink for dry, dehydrated hair. They both work really good, but okay, so yeah, I would just look at that. Look, I would just use this one. I think we're going to use the rest of this as just like a detangular because I don't like that sticky feeling left on the hair after it's dry. Even though it feels moisturized, but it feels weird. I don't know. I don't like it for my hair. But thank you guys for watching. You can leave a comment, you can like, you can share, you can subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys that are already subscribed. And more product reviews on the way. Bye guys.